Alright guys, what is going on? Today I am going to show you how to build a do-it-yourself 100% from scratch, not one nickel invested in this soldering gun right here. Okay, first, what you're going to need. You're going to need a handle for your soldering gun, because it's going to get pretty damn hot. Okay? Second, you're going to need a piece of copper wire, solid piece of copper wire, just like I got right here. And you want that to be about 4 inches long. Third, you're going to need a second piece of copper wire. And you're going to need it to be about 3 inches long. Some nechrome wire. Okay, now, nechrome wire is easy to get. You can find it in any junk laying around. You can find it in like toaster ovens, toasters, blow dryers, anything that gets hot. I found this out of a baseboard heater, like a heater that goes on the baseboards of your house. I got this out of that. But anyways, next what you're going to need is a piece of copper wire, solid copper wire, bigger than your little wires. A piece of conduit sleeving, not conduit sleeving, but electrical sleeving, a screw, and some black tape. Okay, first what you want to do, you want to drill a hole right in the top of your handle, right here. Okay, in order for your soldering rod to go down into. Secondly, you want to drill a hole on the side of it, like really close to the top. Okay. After you got your holes drilled, take your piece of copper wire. Just cram that. It's going to go right here. But before you do this, you want to take your sleeving and just put it right over the top. Right like I'm doing. Okay? Alright. Next, you want to put your rod right down the hole you made for your handle. Just like that. Take your screw, 1/4 inch screw, screw it right in the side, right here. Exactly like I'm doing. Screw it all the way down. Take your Phillips screwdriver and screw it all the way down. It ain't got to be super tight. Just tight enough to hold your soldering gun. Straighten your rod out if you like. Okay. Next, what you want to do is grab your short wire and cut maybe 1 inch or so of the insulation off of it. Cut maybe 1 inch. And come straight down here and stick your wire right to the side, exactly like that. Okay? And then just wrap the wire around your rod, just as I'm doing. Just as I'm doing. Now, take your pliers and just crimp that down. That way there ain't nothing sticking out. Okay. You got one wire on it already. Okay. Next, take your longer wire and skim maybe 1.5 inches of the insulator of that one off. And do it just like we did this first wire. Stick it, hold your finger right on the side, just like that. Come to the top of your insulator and just wrap that sucker around it, exactly like I'm doing right here. Just wrap it on around, wrap it on around, and then just come back here and just make sure that you have got it good and tight on there. It's got to be tight, guys. If it's not tight, it won't work. It'll just come loose and probably catch the house on fire. Okay, next, you want to take your neck chrome wire and straighten it out. Just come to the top right here and wrap your wire around the bottom down here, just to where it's getting good, contact with it. Okay, now take your neck chrome wire and just start wrapping around the top, just as I'm doing. Now you want to wrap this about 10 to 15 times is what I would suggest, because this is going to be your heating element. This is what's going to be heating up your soldering rod. Just keep it going around, just like I'm doing. Just keep it going around. Keep going around with it. Okay, once you reach this wire, you're going to want to wrap this wire right here around the red wire, just like I'm about to do right here. Just like that, guys. See how I done that? See how I done that? Okay, now you want to snip your neck chrome wire off. Just like that. Now if you have any excess wire down here on the bottom, it'll be alright. Okay, now you're almost done with your soldering gun. What you want to do is bring this wire down to the side, just like this. Okay? And then bring this wire right here down to the side. Just like that. See how I've done that? Then take your handy dandy electrical tape and just put you a little piece around your handle down here on the bottom. Just like that. Then just rip it off. I didn't have a knife handy, so I just did it the old hillbilly way. Okay, and that is your soldering gun. That's got it right there. See how simple that was, guys? Okay, now you want to see if it works or not, I'm sure. So, what I have got here, this is just an ordinary, I'm using a 6-volt battery charger, but you can use 6 volts or 12 volts on it. Okay, just the 12 volts going to get really, really hot. And what I'm doing, it don't matter if you get the red to the red and the black, because there ain't no wires like that. Just connect your 2 wires, just like I'm doing right here. Well, if I can ever get it to connect up. Connect your 2 wires, just like that. See how I've got the 2 wires connected? Now, put your power to it. Watch what's going to happen. It's already starting to smoke. See how hot it's getting, guys? Okay. I have got my solder, should I say. Now, we're going to test this thing out. Okay, here we go. It probably didn't let it get hot enough, obviously. Well, my wire came loose. My goodness. Goodness gracious. If I can get this thing to connect up. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's let this thing get hot for a minute. And in the meantime, always, when using anything with electric, always use caution. Because you very well could set yourself or your house on fire. But, alright, let's try this out. Okay? See if we can melt this sorter. Oh yeah. See it melting, guys? And that's all there is to it, guys. It's as simple as that. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed the video or even just laughed at it, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. It would help me out a ton. Alright guys, we'll catch you on the flip side.